Domi hana malu kasela. Jampui, hill.
Your Highness, thank you so much.
กุดพาเพียนังเลยว้าว so nice ว้าว
Chibai to everyone. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me here. I think the youngsters, you all understand English, right? A bit. I am very happy that you all invited me here. And how does this look? कैसा लगता है? ठीक लगता है? हाँ? Does it look okay? Super. So next time I'm going to take this everywhere. Wherever I go, I'll take this thing with me. Huh? How does this cap look? This is okay? Huh? So, I want to tell you one thing. Have you ever been to the palace in Agartala? Have you been there? Have you been to my palace where I stay? Where Dokuma Silo has been? Raja Dokuma Silo? No, no? So let me take the opportunity to ask you all to please come to my palace for lunch. Oh, do you want to translate it? It will be much more easier. Please come in. Okay. Are you translating? First of all, I am very honored that you have given me so much of love.
When the design between the Mizo Holongthai, that's so it was.
Second, we are all part of the same community in Tripura and in Northeast.
Tripura and Northeast are kan Zabayan Unaw Kaniti when you are here can share Chalkani.
We may call ourselves Mizo, somebody may call themselves Riyan, somebody may call themselves Jamatya, somebody may call themselves Naga.
Trend that's Urian Kaniti ni may thea, Trend Zamatia, Trend Naga Kaniti ni may thea, when you are here and Mase Unaw Kani.
But the reality is the rest of India will always consider us Narbung Bukumbara.
Alan Jedatsu, Keniti Narbong, the African Kandi, Natini, and Narbong, Vegan Hitsu.
Right?
I think wrong.
So, if the Narbung and the Bukumbara community has to develop, we need Munkhat, we need unity.
Narbong Hotsu develop Kandi Tena Turzuan, Munkata, and Luan Kong, Laitani, when you are here.
They will call me Mubagra, you all will call me, Joichu calls me Ringpa, somebody will call me Ring. But for me, all of you, young, the women, the old, you are all my own people.
Helai mi ko unaw ten Bubagra minti ni thea, helaya kan halam unaw ten Rengpa minti a. Mizo ten Renglal minti ni mai thea. Voini a hian in Zavai kan voini a hian lal kan lani rengani.
And there is only one who can unite us, love.
Tumi vang chau chuan kanin pangai na le kanin pum khat na voini a hian om chun zong zel thei do na ni.
Khatna means unity, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is more powerful? Love or hatred? I think love is more powerful.
Nghe thiếu tì thế nó liền bớt sự tàng in mail mark nó nghe in mang ngày nó niang cái chuột mang ngày nó hi cái in cũng khăn nó đủ lệ thiếu cái tì thế nó đủ bớt rồi à với như thế cả ngày đi.
This is what I am saying is actually written in the Bible. Even the Pathian says love is the only answer to hatred.
Hay tắc khi đi à với như thế cả ngày bôi một Bible bôi ina alo zia mang ngày này hi Pathian na cái in cũng khăn na chú alo ni.
So I appeal to you not as someone who's a politician, but I appeal to you as a indigenous person from Northeast, that let us come together and let us speak for our children together.
Với như hiang cái sông du nó sẽ uchu Northeast lấy lùng pha te kan đi angin kan in cũng khát angai chuang lâu lâu ông tu te tan với như hiang sun tra tu chia tu rin kan in sui khom thar le apoi mo ani.
Today, our children are poor. We need to fight for our children's future, the next generation's future. But we are fighting in the name against each other. Instead of fighting for our children's future, we are fighting against each other. Instead of fighting for a better tomorrow for our next generation, we are fighting in the name of religion, in the name of surname, but we are both losing.
Ka unang tu takte với như hiang ngày tu na kan man thar tu tak se tin ka ria chuan lâu lâu ông tur kan tu le fa te khovel tur ta na chanem ngai le pum khat ta ka thok tur kan ni line với như cái mani le cái mani unau te engem mo wangin kan lo in sual zok ka thina chu với như hay kan shiat fu lo em dia chu wangin với như kan ngai tu na te tha bin chuan thar na kina nap tu thazo kan nei theina turin nakin thazo kan nei theina turin helai lo kan khom te hi kan in unau thara kan chan ruat thar kha apoi mo ani.
Who divides us?
Tu te ge min chen tu te hi
Those who don't want the Narbung and the Bukung Bara to progress. Who divides us? Who don't want our children to have a better future? Who divides us in the name of religion? Those who want to rule us, both of us.
với nia hian min chen dar tu te chu nar bong ho kan chang ka na với nia kan no pang na kin lo ka mi pui tling le mi thiam ni tur te phal lo tu te hian với nia hian ke ni tribal te hi min chen sanga kan in pum khat lo na tu thil sang sang với nia hian kan zinga anon then tir fi ni.
You may call me Maharaja, somebody may call me Ringpa, somebody may call me Bubagra. But let me tell you, my name is not important. We are all children of Pathian. And I promise you, if the children of Pathian can come together, one day Narbung will rule Tripura.
Với nia hian soyong kha na training ubak ramin ti ni mai theya a training reng la a training reng pa min ti ni mai theya po sui sala với nia hian kan vai hian pathian fa te kan ni a pathian fa te hun khata kan lom khom the ni chuan heram tripura kan ram nge hi engting nia mo chuan heram le lu chu a hen ro kan la rel do na ni.
Can you imagine Chief Minister of Mizoram, Chief Minister of Tripura, Chief Minister of Nagaland, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, all are our own people? Then you see how development comes to all of us, because then we are all together as one Northeast.
In ngày tua nga yong kashelowa notice hian Mizoram te Meghalaya te Nagaland te chuan aram lei lung fa te nge Chief Minister an thu thina chung ho ram te development na sak zia ki voi ni hen kan mu fia thia mem kashelowa chu tia gun chu ke ni rama ko hen la thleng the ni ti kan ria ta poimo.
So I appeal to you, do not be divided in the name of religion. do not be divided in the name of party. Party can be many, CPM, Congress, Tripura, BJP. But we should not forget, first, we are indigenous people of Northeast.
When they are here, politics to inute party avang in min chen chang tu kan nilawa kan riu regata le when they are here kangen na chadu kangen du na cheu sang ber chu heram leilung fa te kan ni ti hi hrenon tharangu.
Those, whenever you all go, some of you may go to Agartala, some of you may go to Guwahati, to Delhi, to Bangalore. People call you Chinese, they call you Chinky, they call you Momo. They don't know your Mizo, they don't know he is Holoi, they don't know he is Rangkhol, they don't know he is Rian. But we are not united, so we are Mizo, Rangkhol, Jamatya, Riang, and those people who are calling us Chinky, Momo, Nakchepta, those people, they don't know which religion we are, they don't know where we come from, yet we are not united.
Delhi ate Bangalore ate inkal mai chin mai thea chung ho chuan ke ni ho hi Chinky Momo Mitzim te khatianga abian khau te chutiang te a soi thin chu kan nia ingsa ko von tu te ke kan ni kon shelowa Chinese ti te min soi thina masala voi ni a yang nge ni sa ko sang sang von tu te kan nia en ko su ni sela voi ni han chung chu koi mo bera ni lowa en ko ni se unaw kan ni nate voi ni again kan shia thar zo koi mo a.
They make fun of our women, they think our women are easy. It hurts me, because today it is somebody else, tomorrow it can be my own sister. So why should we not come together? Why can't we become brothers? And why we cannot unite? And why cannot we think about the next generation?
When you are here, they get together. Can you boom cut the tail of Reg Nathan? He gave me Latin Shang Rega. Can Ma can do the father to turn along to Dana. Naitona can Hanahunto, that Zet Laya can in Chen Shang Chile. Till Shang Shangava can in boom cut tail of the Apoy Taxetani.
Politics has divided us. Pathian and love can unite us. Who is more powerful, politics or Pathian? You know the answer.
Politics do know chuan min chen sang thina pathian ma ngai ro chuan min sui khom thina when ya hian politics do know nge pathian ma ngai na chu thlan om kan ti zo.
Yet we continue to follow those leaders who divide us. But now I want to care, I want to think about a child, not because he is Rian or she is Rian or Mizo, but for me, every child should have a better future.
When ya hian Rian no pangan dia mo Mizo no pangan dia mo lam kha ka ngai poi mo ni lawa when ya hian no pang eram nei lung fa te ma ku hi ka thliu le ka ngai poi mo ber chu ani.
Today we are opening a foundation stone for a community hall in the name of Raja Dokuma Sailo, who was a friend of my grandfather.
When ya helaya Raja Bahadur Dokuma Sailo community hall hon na kan ne ya.
If 100 years ago Raja Bahadur Dokuma Sailo and Maharaja Bir Bikram could be friends, why can't we be friends 100 years later?
Kung sama makha aku Raja le Maharaja le Raja Dokuma Sailo te in thian ge tak kan lo ni thina voi ni a kung za aliam le he ne ge kan pum khat thelo chuang kan pum khat turani.
Today we have mobile phone, we have car, we have house, but we have forgotten how to love each other.
When ni a kan lo chang kang to ba mixing te li thei te phone chang kang te kan ne ya ngati ge pum khat na chang po kan shia to lo when ni a hian ngati kan pum khat thelo.
But when we had no cars, no mobile phone, no money, yet we were friends. So, despite everything, we are still losing. But one day, I hope that we can become friends, and we will become friends, and we will develop not only your village but the whole of Jampui in a proper way.
Thil nei lu mobile phone te ka te chu ralma sela kan pum khada te kan thian na te ro chu a re thei to lo wa chu wangi roi ni a hian chu bang te rin lu khreng chung chuan in pum khat deu deu lam kan hoi kha roi ni a hian a poi mo ni.
This community hall is meant for a great man like Raja Bahadur Tokma Sailo, a great man, and we want to honor him. And next time I come here, we should celebrate our Christmas, our Easters, our Kut festival, our festivals in this very community hall, which will be built in the name of a great person like Raja Bahadur Tokma Sailo.
Lalu kita rasa bahagia berkumpul selalu kerana community hall kan sakahian, ipo kalau orang Christmas Day, Easter Sunday teh, kan mga kalalang holi dolan itu.
And last, what do you say? I love you in Mizo? Huh? Kahmang Aiche. Huh? See, Kahmang Aiche. In Kokborok, Kauru say ang no ham jago, and you say in thing Kahmang Aiche. See, Kahmang Aiche, right? 1 रुपया भी नहीं जाता है, not 1 rupee from your pocket. But when you say Kahmang Aiche, you're smiling, right? From here. You can say I love you, you can say Kahmang Aiche, you can say Ang Nono Hamjago, but it's the same sentiment everywhere.
Saya kat po, ni lang may ila kapang ay jadi itu teh, kita kan suwangin mitin teh kapang ay teh di wari la cucu rasa teh po hi atso teh di.
My only message to you, all of you here, please love yourself, please love each other, and please respect each other.
Mitin teh lawin mangai ula, lawin zaton ula. Lungrual takin lau umsel ula katuan ni.
And do you love me?
Nila min pangayam.
No, do you love me? I don't hear.
Min pangayam ati.
Only one man saying yes, yes.
Ring ta min pangagan tilayang min pangayam.
Do you love me? Kahman Aiche. Right? Point is, love will always win, Munkhat will always win, and we will always win if we have love and Munkhat with each other. Thank you so much. God bless you.